this video, we're going to look at how to set up a classroom in Canva, how to invite your students to that classroom folder, how to change the banner design on your folder, and how to share designs for their classroom projects. Let's get started. First, come down here to the lower left-hand corner and click Create a Class. I'm going to create a class for 3A computers. I click Continue. Now, the best way to share this with your students is by inviting via a share link. So let's go ahead and get the invite link, and we're going to share it with Google Classroom here. So click Google Classroom. I will find 3A computers, and let's go ahead and make an announcement. Makes it for me. Post. Let's go to Google Classroom and see what that looks like. All right, so there it is on the stream. Next, let's go to the folder and look at how to create a banner for this class. Click on the 3 horizontal dots and choose Banner, and let's create a banner in Canva. Let's just make a very simple banner here. We'll click on Elements, and let's search for computers. Let's choose a cool photo for the background. I'm going to go with this one here. There we have it. Let's save. And there's our banner. Next, let's create a folder inside our class folder for an assignment. So we click Add New Folder, and I'm going to call this folder The 4 Rules of Internet Safety. My students are going to create posters demonstrating their knowledge of how to stay safe on the internet. And here we are. I've just created a folder. Okay, let's see this from the perspective of a student. Here's the student's completed work. They've chosen a design and they've finished the assignment, and now they're ready to turn in. There are 2 things they can do. Number 1 is you can click Send to Teacher, and they can select their teacher, find Mr. Mark, and simply click Send. Also, you can send a message. Alternatively, they can turn this into their folder. So let's go over here to Home, and let's find the folder that the student has joined through Google Classroom. So here's the folder, 3A Computers. As a student, I enter the 3A Computers folder. I enter the 4 Rules of Internet Safety, and I'm going to add a new design. So let's click the plus, choose Design, go to My Projects, find the 4 Rules of Internet Safety, and I'm going to move this into the class folder for everybody to see. And there you have it. Hope this helps.